Ni safe.
Chukua tu.
Joanna is like.
Omena is very sweet.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Welcome and welcome again to my channel. My name is Kukami. If you are new here, karibu sana. And today we are cooking these. They are called fingerlings, or in our native language we call it omena. So today we are cooking omena. So come with me as I show you how to cook omena. Very delicious omena, fresh from the lake. So first of all, we must sort out our omena, and then we have this one boiling water. This is hot water that I will use to wash our fingerlings or omena. So now let's sort our omena together. So we want to ensure that our omena is clean before we cook. So now our omena are now clean. As you can see, they are clean. Now what's remaining is that we are washing our omena with this hot water, this water that is boiling. So I'm gonna wash the omena, and then I'll be showing you our next step. So come with me and don't touch that dial. So hot water, the water is hot. As you can see, the fire is hot. So I'm washing my omena. Our fingerlings, we wash using this hot water. So that is it. And then we're gonna place it here. So that way. And because it's hot, I'm using this one to smell. So this is how we wash our omena, our fingerlings, and they are fresh from our lake. African fresh lakes. So now my omena is okay. I can now take it from this hot water. So we use hot water to remove any dirt or any germs, any impurities that might be in our omena. So let's take the omena off.
Kita mau ruginan.
So guys, we're gonna put our sufuria on fire so that we can fry our omena. So our omena is draining water. So we are draining water.
Ada Korea. Ada Korea. Tanya tata mencuri lagi. Binani.
And cook the fingerling. So now I'm gonna put cooking oil. We're gonna put cooking oil. And when the oil is hot, we put our omena so that we can fry. So now we're gonna put our omena on fire. The oil is hot. So now put oil. Guys, our omena is still cooking and I'm adding onions. There is onion there and more onions. Next is our capsicum.
Kira kanudu kamu.
Our capsicum is here. Songa. Siko na njaa hii baby.
Chao makuinwa ra ongani.
Ndio tu.
Chitikire.
Our capsicum. Oil.
Madirera.
It will help the onion cook properly. It is already sweet, my people.
Jaga ni kukunike.
Next, tomatoes. Sorry, my people. Delicious omena. This is lemon water. I want to squeeze lemon water because of I want my fish, small fish. Omena is a small fish in other terms. So I want it to smell so nice. In case of any bad smell, this lemon will take away the smell. So this is it, guys. So I want to squeeze lemon water here. Royco cubes. Vanilla. So that is milk. Milk. Look at our delicious omena. Delicious omesh. Our omena is so sweet. See? Wow. It's very sweet.
Unataka.
Flour maize. Our flour maize dinner is ready. Show them.
Yes, I'm showing them. Our ugali is
Bam.
This is how African women are strong.
Okay, time to take a picture and save. Yes, ma'am.
So this is our omena, our ready omena, and our accompaniment, which is ugali. So I'm gonna eat. Very sweet and very sugar.
Very good.
Sweet.
Yes. And click.
Our small fish.
And
Our
then
fingerlings. Thank you for watching this video.
and
Let's meet up in my next one, and ensure that you subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Bye bye. Let's enjoy this
Cut.
delicacy. Let's meet up as I enjoy this.
and cut.
Bye bye.
And cut.